everyone, welcome back to my channel. With the holiday season just around the corner, today we have something special, a bio-cute eco-friendly Christmas DIY craft kit. We're going to create 3D Santa, Rudolph, and Elf to add a festive touch to your home. We found this amazing kit on Amazon, and we can't wait to dive into the crafting fun. So, here's the bio-cute eco-friendly Christmas DIY craft kit, the Santa and Friends DIY kit. It comes with recycled paper round boxes in 3 different sizes, pre-cut paper parts, mini eco-coloring pencils, instruction sets for 3D models, and a glue tube. Everything you need to create your favorite Christmas characters is right here. Now, let's jump into the crafting process. We'll start with the elf. Begin by coloring the face of the elf using the coloring pencils provided in the kit. Once you've colored the face, apply some glue to the back and carefully stick it onto the cylinder box included in the kit. Hold it for a while to let the glue set. Now, let's move on to coloring the body. Once it's colored, repeat the same steps, apply glue and stick it to the cylinder box. Easy peasy. What's great about this kit is that it not only provides creative fun, but also helps nurture important skills like hand-eye coordination, planning, and preparation. The final touch for our elf is the red ribbon. Stick it on top of the elf's head and gently bend it to give it that festive flair. Plus, it's safe for kids with no sharp edges or small parts. This kit is recommended for ages 6 to 96. After all, crafting knows no age limits. Before you start crafting, make sure to read the instructions thoroughly and check all the items in the kit. Don't worry if you make mistakes, that's all part of the learning process. You can always redo it. Crafting offers a multitude of advantages that extend beyond the creation of beautiful and functional items, such as stress relief, enhanced creativity, improved mood, boosted self-esteem, social interaction, sense of accomplishment, cognitive benefits, customization and personalization, mindfulness and focus, lifelong learning. In summary, crafting is a holistic and fulfilling activity that promotes mental well-being, creativity, and personal growth. Its benefits extend to various aspects of life, contributing to a sense of fulfillment and happiness. And there you have it, a fun and eco-friendly way to bring the Christmas spirit into your home. This BioCute eco-friendly Christmas DIY craft kit is not only a perfect festive present for children, but also a beautiful decoration for your home. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more creative content, and let us know in the comments what other crafts you'd like to see. Happy crafting, and Merry Christmas!